Hi, this is Wayne with Suncoast Installs. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our streaming boxes. This happens to be the MXQ Pro, it's a 4K streaming box. Basically, these are mini computers for your TV. They'll let you access the internet, they'll let you access your online accounts, movies, TV shows, whatever you want to watch. Our boxes have a unique program that we put on them that allows it to open up the entire internet and stream video, movies, about anything you want to see with no membership, no fees, anything like that. It's all open source, it's legal, and I'm going to show you how to plug in and use your box. When you get it, you'll see the main box here, which is your computer. There'll be some accessories, power cables, HDMI cord. You'll have a remote control. So basically, you unpackage the box, plug everything in. The best way to program these boxes is with, or the best, fastest speeds is to plug your network cable directly into the box and into your router from your cable company. That'll give you direct connection for your internet access and the fastest and most reliable speeds. Now, a lot of times that's not possible, so these are set up with built-in Wi-Fi, so you can plug them into your Wi-Fi. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and plug them to the HDMI cable and plug in the power. Our HDMI is plugged into our HDMI 1 input on our TV. So our TV is set for our HDMI 1 input. It can be plugged into any input you want. You just have to turn your TV onto that source. As the box loads, I'm going to show you some of the basic uses of the remote control. Almost all of them will look something like this. This is going to be your select, your OK. You navigate left, right, up, down with your arrows. This is your back button, and this is your home button. Home button will basically take you back to this screen. There's a number of ways to access the different applications on your streaming box. First thing we want to do is we want to go on and set up our internet access. So we go into our network, we select it. Because we are running Wi-Fi on this one, we're going to have to go in and connect to our Wi-Fi connection. If you do use the network cable, then it will automatically connect when you're connected to the internet. So now we're going to go into our Wi-Fi. We're going to find our particular Wi-Fi that's here. We're going to select it. We're going to have to enter our password. The remote, basically, you have to go from letter to letter until you find. And once you get on the letter, you press OK. You can use the numbers on the remote for your number entries. So another feature on this remote is a little mouse button here. You press that, it puts it in mouse mode, which gives you a cursor. So you can move the cursor around the screen to select different things you want to select. Press the mouse button again. Now I can enter my password. And as soon as I get that done, I'll be right back. Okay, now that we have our password entered, we move to the little icon here on the far right. We press OK, and it connects to our Wi-Fi. We're connected. We can now hit the home button, which will take us back. Okay, now once your program opens, we want to use Kodi down here. So we'll go down and select that. There's a number of different ways to access it. Like I said, these boxes are mini computers. So you can go in and add them onto your online video if you want. You just go into add, you select it up here. You can add, Facebook, Netflix, a number of different things. Really, Kodi is the main program we're using. It's also important that if you do get a notification to update Kodi, you do not do an update. The version that we use on this works with our programming, and if you update it, it'll wipe it out. So you go into your Kodi down here and you open it up. This is version 16.1. And there we are, Suncoast Installs. Okay, so now we're in the movies. We can scroll down to theaters, and this will show us some of the newer movies that are in the theater. You select the highlighted one, it'll show Exodus loading the movie. Our programs automatically select the top quality video that's available and plays it for you. In a minute I'll show you how to take the autoplay off in the event that you end up with the wrong movie or a Chinese version or something that has closed captioning or something that you don't want to watch. But basically the movie starts to play. Again, use your arrows and this brings up your menus. This shows you your fast forward. This will show you, this movie is actually in 720, so fairly high quality for a newer movie. Gives you information. This shows your runtime. And you will also get controls if you push the OK button, your pause, fast forward, go to end, that sort of thing. So you can pause your movie and stop it. So we're going to stop it. And it takes you back to your previous screen. So you can go back down through and look and find another movie and play it this way. Again, it automatically picks the best stream that's available and the highest quality and plays that one for you automatically. This shows that's in movies in 1080p. So this will be a high quality. So once again, hit OK. Stop. Now, if we go into our movies section, and we go into our search, we ask for movies. Again, you can type in your search the movie you want to see. It'll bring up and automatically play whichever one that's going to give you the best quality. Okay, if you see here there's a number of things. You can go and you can watch TV shows, airing today, rated, that sort of thing. You can search. You can get live TV, sports, news, that sort of thing. Sports section, kids. Phoenix is another app. You get stand-up comedy, horror. These are your favorites. If you click OK on your favorites, it'll show you here what's on your favorites menu. If you don't want one on there, you can press and long hold the OK. It'll give you the option to remove it, rename it, so and so. And I'll show you how to add those to your favorites as well. All our boxes are pre-programmed, wide open with everything. This one has the adults only section on it. If you have children, you want to turn that off. You simply go into the exit, settings, get into the appearance here, say OK. You're looking for your skin settings, you got highlight settings. This is going to give you, you want to go to your home menu. So the menu item we were just in was exit, so we go over here and we select these little buttons here and press down. So DVD drive, this is your adults only. So if you want to turn that off your main menu, you highlight the menu item, which is 13, press and hold the OK button, and you basically say clear menu option and it'll remove it from the menu. So you can do that with any of them, the sports, the kids zone, any of the menu categories. So we back out of that. I'll also show you if you're having connection problems and it doesn't want to play properly or you're getting disconnected. Certain cable companies, their Wi-Fi isn't as good as others. So on this one we have a speed tester here. So we can go on over here to speed tester. We can select that. This will check your internet setup and tell you how your internet's working. So we run our speed test. It tells us who our service is from, gives us our download speeds, then it'll test our upload speeds and give us a rating over here based on other information. So this tells us here, we're a B-, we're faster than 61% of the United States, so that's not too bad. Anytime you're up around the 10s on the download, you're going to get pretty good streaming. If you get down in the 4, 5, 6s, you're going to get some interruptions. You may need to upgrade your Wi-Fi speed or connect to a network cable to get better service if that's the case. Okay, so we close this. We back out. Okay, now we're going to go in and set the autoplay feature to manual. So what we want to do is while you're in movies, you're going to select Exodus, which is our main program for watching the movies. And it's going to give you the option to select movies, TV shows, and such. You want to go down to Tools, click OK. Go into your playback settings, okay, and it will say default action autoplay. You simply click on one of the buttons and it'll say dialogue, which will give you a list, or audio I should say, or directory, which will give you a list from 1 to however many streams are available, and you can select the one you want to play. So now we're going to hit directory, we'll say okay. Okay, now when we go back, we can go into new movies. Again, this is just another way to get to everything that's available. We find the movie we want, we select it. Now it's going to go through, look at all the providers, and instead of automatically playing that show, it's going to give you a list. And see, this one is number 1. This is the one it would normally play because it's the highest quality. If for some reason there's a problem with that one, it's not the right movie, it's in a different language, it has subtitles, there's a number of things that could happen. You simply decide, I don't like that one, let's go to the next one. This one's still in HD, and then as it goes on down the list, you're going to get lower quality videos. In some cases I've actually had to go second or third one down to find the right movie because somebody put the wrong name that was similar to the movie I was looking for. So you select OK, and this will play the movie. Now if you decide somewhere along the way it's a movie, it's a series, you want to watch the movie another time, you simply back out of here. Back to the list. While you're highlighting the video you want to save, you press and hold the OK button, and you can add it to favorites. Now if you do that, when you go back, to your favorites here and select that, it'll show up here. So then you can watch another day or whatever the case. want to get back into the movie for your controls, simply press the OK button. Gives you the information, gives you all your controls. You can simply fast forward, or we're going to stop it. So I think that covers most of the basis and most of your basic operations, and hope you enjoy your new streaming video box. Thanks.